I can't help but not want to make a difference somehow. Just all it takes is people who care. I do believe if people don't do something more at Ferncliffe in the next 10 years, it would not be here. Those last few surviving mature trees would be pulled down by creepers. Nothing would be able to regenerate, and we will have lost, we don't know what we'll have lost.
This is a threatened biome called an eastern mistbelt forest, and we're all about restoring the biodiversity at Ferncliffe Forest.
It's a bit spidery in here.
We kind of see ourselves as the slow food of the restoration movement. We've decided to try and plant slightly more mature trees, make a tree guard out of bamboo for each tree so it doesn't get heavily browsed, water it if there's a dry spell, things like that. And we've found that our success rate has been very high. It's 97% survival rate.
I think the value of small projects is vital. I think 1 million small projects is just as important as one huge project because of these precious small ecosystems.
Bamboo, it's bad, man.
This was just bamboo, that was sort of the border towards that side. This was just dark, dark, dark bamboo.
We're just trying to fight this back. It's an exotic species that isn't supposed to be here, but that is our biggest challenge in terms of the invasive plants. It just spreads like wildfire.
There are a few indigenous trees doing quite well now. There's over that side, over this side. It literally was brought back to life just because we got enough light. So yeah, it's one of the most joyous things about it is to see things come back. When you go out and you reconnect and you see the extent of change, creatures sometimes come back just with the tiny bits that we've done. When we've cleared an area, you'll suddenly see birds and insects that you haven't seen before. You'll suddenly see this tree's like an extra 30 centimeters up and it's like, it's happy, it's speaking somehow. In that way, I can stay very hopeful indeed, luckily.